Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to an IEVS home school. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class nursery, and our today's topic is Arabic alphabet from Tha to Ya. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 18 and is W number 16, and today is our revision class, my dear students. My dear students, inshallah, today we will learn Arabic alphabet from Tha to Ya. And alhamdulillah, my dear students, we have already learned all of the Arabic alphabet or letters, and you know that today is our revision class. So my dear students, let's start. My dear students, today is our revision class, Arabic alphabet from Tha to Ya. Alhamdulillah, we have already learned. My dear students, today I have written here 14 Arabic alphabet from Tha to Ya, and today we will learn. And alhamdulillah, you have already learned how to write and read. Okay, let's start. You know that, my dear students, this alphabet is called Tha, and you have to pronounce this one Tha, and this one is Va. My dear students, you have to pronounce Va like that, Va. That means front of the tongue will touch upper two teeth, and you have to pronounce the very softly. Now this one is Ain, and this one is Ghain, not Gain. This one is Ain. My dear students, you have to pronounce Ain like that, Ain, from middle of the throat. You have to pronounce Ain, and you have to pronounce Goin, not Gain, Goin, from last part of the throat, from here, Goin. Ain is from here and Goin is from here, Goin, not Gain. Okay, my dear students. Now this one is Fa, and this one is, you know that, Of. Yes, and this is called Dui Nokta Wala Qaf. This one is Qaf, not Kaf. And my dear students, this one is, you know that, Kaf. This one is Kaf, and it is called Moddokhane Pechano Kaf. This is called Dui Nokta Wala Qaf, and this is called Moddokhane Pechano Kaf. That means Qaf and Kaf. My dear students, you know that this alphabet is called Lam. This one is Mim. You know that this one is Mim, and this one is Noon, and this one is Wow, and this one is Ha. My dear students, this alphabet is called Ha, and you have to pronounce this one Ha, from the starting point of the throat, from here, Ha. From this point, two letters are pronounced, Hamza and Ha. So my dear students, look at the board again. Yes, this one is Ha, and you have to pronounce this one from the starting point of the throat, Ha, Hamza and Ha. And my dear students, this one is Ya. You know that this one is Ya. Okay, my dear students. Okay, let's start one more. We read again one more time. Now everyone say with me: Tha, Dha, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Hamza and Ya. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, today we have learned 14 Arabic alphabet from Ta to Ya. And my dear students, that's all for today. I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. And my dear students, look at the board. Today is our SW number 16. SW number 16. You will make SW at your home from Ta to Ya. You will write at your home from Ta to Ya, and you will submit your SW copy. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.